Forex tips and tricks. Number 1. Stick to one currency exchange you know well. Number 2. Never trade out of hours. Always check local currency times. Number 3. Always close a trade before the end of the day. This way you will avoid paying overnight funding fees. Number 4. Always trade spreads below 2.0 and steady. Number 5. Do not get greedy. Greed can lead to losses, 1p or cent is still profit. Number 6. Look back at previous trades and know when to take a loss. Number 7. Never rush to make trades.